y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be decorating for spring. So as you can see behind me here, we have all of my spring decor. And I don't typically decorate for spring. I didn't last year, but I guess we're gonna do it this year. I didn't have my YouTube channel last year either, so it's kind of giving me more motivation to decorate my house, I guess you could say. So, as you can see, there's not a whole lot here, not like fall and Christmas. Definitely had a lot more for those two. But yeah, I just wanted to, bring a few pops of color with like the pinks and the multicolored eggs, and don't ask me why, but I had a thing for carrots this year. But I have a couple of DIYs that I am going to insert throughout the video for a couple of DIY inspirations that I got from YouTube and just, things that popped into my head. So, yeah, so come along with me. I'm going to do a quick little tidy of the kitchen and decorate that as well. And then we're gonna decorate the living room and a little bit of the bathroom and then the front area of the house. So, come along with me. So I wanted to show you this first piece here. I had Josh build this for me underneath my cabinet where I store my coffee cups because we have too many coffee cups. And this is also where I put my mason jars full of, kids' cereal, flour, sugar, all the extra stuff like baking things and all that good stuff, which you had seen in my previous video. So I had it all nice and painted and stocked up by the time that I started filming this, but it was one of those things that I wanted to get done for this spring video because it just makes the kitchen look so much less cluttered, and I'm absolutely in love with it.
Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile? Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever.
So this here is my first DIY. I got this inspiration just by walking in Dollar Tree, and I saw these orange coffee mugs and I thought those would be such cute carrots. So I got 3 orange coffee mugs from Dollar Tree, a what is that? I guess tulle? I don't know. Deco mesh, that's what it's called. Some glittery deco mesh from Hobby Lobby, and I think those are I don't know, some kind of greenery just to stick in the top. So I wrapped the floral foam in the deco mesh, and then I just stuck the greenery in the top, and it looks like a cute little carrot.
I know I have to lay in the bed I made. I know I let you down, and that was a big mistake. Just tell me your life, you have to. I just wanna pretend that you're mine for the last time. Is that alright? Just tell me your life, you have to. I just wanna pretend. All I need is you, you, yeah, you. All I need is you, you, All I need is you.
So spring DIY project number 2 was this little stand that I had made for the kitchen. The old rustic piece of wood I didn't stain very well, and I got this idea from Glue Guns and Roses to use instant coffee as a stain. So basically you take 1 part instant coffee, 1 part water, and you literally just brush it onto a piece of raw wood. I don't remember sanding this at all. I think I just bought this piece of raw wood from Hobby Lobby and stained it with instant coffee. I did apply, I think, 3 coats of instant coffee to get the nice dark finish that I got, and then I did coat it in matte Mod Podge spray top coat, basically, just so that it was, or no, it wasn't matte, it was glossy, just so that it was easy to wipe. And then I took these feet that I got from Hobby Lobby as well. They're just little round balls with a flat edge on them, and I painted these with white chalk paint diluted with a little bit of water, so they were more like a white wash instead of a white paint. And then I hot glued them to the bottom.
I know I have to pay for the mistakes I made, but I hope you know that I regret every single thing I did. Oh, just tell me your life, you have to. I just wanna pretend that you're mine for the last time. Is that alright now? Just tell me your life, you have to. I just wanna pretend.
So this carrot DIY was super simple. I used the same greenery that I used on my carrots that I made out of coffee mugs, but this is literally 3 jars, some glittery orange deco mesh, and the greenery stuck in the top of the glass jars. So I really like this one. It was really cute. Now for this DIY, I did get inspiration from another YouTuber. I will link her account down in the description box because I can't remember it off the top of my head. But I did form these carrots out of aluminum foil, and then I made a hole in the top to stick the lamb's ear greenery in the top, and then I wrapped this jute cord around it and I hot glued it so it looks like a very rustic carrot.
I I've said it many times, I know I would change my ways, I know for sure. When all the crows decide to meet, they settle down beneath my feet. I've got it right and I got it wrong, but I learned my lesson hanging on. Come sit here with me by the fire and let it go for a little while. So be here as the night starts falling. Let my fingers walk over your head. We got nothing to be scared of. I'd rather be with you than by myself. Now all is in your hands. When I was young, I thought control would lead me to an ending road, and heavy metal seemed to be the only thing that was for me. And I saw the angels coming down.
Alrighty, y'all, that wraps up my 2021 Spring Decorate with me. Thank you guys so much for coming along with me today and supporting my channel. I can't tell you how much a like and a subscribe really means to me. It definitely helps my channel grow, and we are on our way to 100 subscribers in the first year of YouTube. If you find my channel entertaining or motivating, go ahead and share it with any of your friends or family that you would think would find me entertaining or motivating as well. Any like and subscribe helps. So thank you guys so much again for being here today, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.